Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing GoCharlie, a tool that is still coming soon on AppSumo and it will cost $59. It's an AI-powered content creation tool and it aims to improve your workflow to help you to create content to social media. So it's an AI-powered content creation tool and it will be your best friend in your marketing efforts. It helps you to create engaging and informative content that will help your business grow. So it costs $59. You get all the features of the GoCharlie plan. So let's take a look at the tool. Here is GoCharlie, and you can see that you have different kind of features on the left. The first one is where you will drop an image and you get a content from the characteristics of that image. So I just uploaded an image here and you can change the characteristic of your business. Let's say you are creating content for hospitality and travel, and this is like a hotel with people here, and you can change the tone, let's say friendly, and you can add the main topic of the content that GoCharlie will generate for you. So let's try like that and fetch. So GoCharlie gave me those kind of content based on my description and the image. Looking for some cozy pajamas to sleep in after a long day of mother and baby bonding? Look no further than our hotel room pajama selection. We have everything from soft cotton pajamas, warm woolen jammies, etc. etc. I'm clicking here to fat it again. You're gonna get more results based on the characteristics that you add here. Let's delete my description, only added the image. I'm gonna change the tone to persuasive, and I will change to retail here. Let's see where I can get based on that image. I get something similar for me, based on the same image, of course. I'm gonna try to change the image and let's see what kind of results I get. I'm gonna add that made here. I'll select other, persuasive, and new RPG game. And I'm gonna fetch. Hey everyone, looking for a new and exciting RPG game to play? Check out our newest release, blah blah blah. The perfect blend of mystery and intrigue with unique characters, challenging battles, and an intriguing storyline. You'll never be able to put it down. Add us on Facebook or Twitter today to get started. So you get the copy based on the image and the text. This is the generate feature. GoCharlie has an enhanced content also. So you can add some content you already have and ask Charlie to improve it. I've added here that page is the fastest way to make landing pages that are both fun and effective in just a few minutes. So I'm gonna select a persuasive tone increase. So I want more text and casual enhance. They gave me here that page is a super quick and easy to use for creating landing pages that look great and are really effective. I'm gonna try the increase length now. They give me more text now. That page is the fastest way to make landing pages that are both fun and effective. It's the perfect solution for creating landing pages that convert. Try it now and see yourself. And they gave me a hashtag here, landing page. Analyze, you're gonna add your text here, select your kind of industry. I'm gonna add other and click here to analyze. They gave me an A score for that content, character content, commonality, readability, no CTA, sentiment, subjective, etc. You get the analytics from your text. Respond, you ask a question, and GoCharlie will write a response. Which one is the best law school in the US? I'm gonna add here other, write a response. And they gave me a response. Thank you for your feedback. We appreciate it. Depending on what you're looking for, there are a few great options available. For example, if you're interested in specializing in a certain area of law, such as litigation or business law, some of the top schools in the country, of course, specifically tailored, blah, blah, blah. I think it's good. It's a good result. So, and you will see your saved content here and also the history. You can save your content like that. Just click here on the heart and it's saved. This is GoCharlie, a new AppSumo deal that's coming soon on AppSumo. Thank you so much for that. I hope you like that review. Remember to click on the link in the description to help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.